Okay, Simon. Hello. Today is Brush Your Cat Day. And Simon is all ready to be brushed. And a few mats to be taken care of. Simon, he loves to be brushed. Don't you, Simon? Don't you just love to be brushed? Yes, he does. Oh, just love to be brushed. Look at that face. Look at that face. Just love to be brushed. Yes, 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 yes. Look at that. Oh. Oh, now we go with the belly. Gonna brush the belly. Brush the belly. Gonna do the belly. More of the belly. Gonna do the belly. Gonna do that mane. We have to do this here. We do with the comb. Yes. Do the comb. Comb that out. Yeah. Oh, you look so pretty. Yes, you look so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Now, is that a contented cat or what? Is that a contented cat or what? Do some more combing, more brushing. Do the belly. Let me do the belly. Come on. There we go. Do the belly. Do the belly. Do the Simon's belly. Yes, we like the belly. Like the belly. Yeah. Simon likes the belly.
Holy grooming session. Look at him. Looks like he's in heaven.
Yes, Simon is in heaven.
He's in heaven.
What? Are you purring? I think you are. Yeah. Alright. I'm done. Now we're using the comb. She loves because it goes right down to the skin and it just, oh, it feels so nice, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. Feels so nice. Yeah. Oh. Giving the massage. Like that, huh? Gets all that extra fur out. Like that. Huh? How do you look? How does it look? A little bit more. Is there a birdie out there?
Oh, he's getting like a royal treatment.
But of course, because it's Brush Your Cat Day today.
That's right. I forgot about that.
And Garfunkel, well, he has no fur, so.
Oh, you're videoing the cat being brushed. Now I understand.
What's Daddy doing? Is he getting some food? Is that why your tongue's sticking out? Is that why your tongue's sticking out? Daddy's getting some food? It's funny. It's funny. Daddy's getting some food. What's Daddy doing?